Hello everyone. Many iPhone users want to know how to turn on off the red light on the top of the iPhone. So in this short video I will tell you how to turn on off the red light in iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, I would like to tell you that there is no way to turn this red light on and off in iPhone. So the question arises how this light turns on off. So the answer is that this light keeps blinking by itself all the time. Now many people will say that we don't see this light and it does not blink in our mobile. So friends, actually the point is that you can't see this light with your eyes. It is not visible with normal eyes. Guys, every time I hold my iPhone in front of the camera, this light starts to appear. As soon as I move my iPhone away from the camera, my eye can't see it. If you don't believe me, you can try it yourself. You will see this light only in the camera. That's it. So guys, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.